Right, okay, spot. Right. Sorry, we had to.
We're technical probably because Holly's a doofus.
Yeah, my camera kind of stopped working.
So the things
It's a bit
I've already done.
It's a bit like Holly. After a certain amount of time, it stops working.
Yeah.
So the
Very
things
true.
that we've done is nerds rope,
We've done Dr. Frigo.
which was kind of disgusting.
I didn't like it.
Which Ben's drinking right now.
It's Dr. Frigo. Dr. Frigo. We had
Airheads. We had Airheads.
Which fits both of my daughters sitting here, or both earheads.
And then we had Jolly Rancher juice. We've had the sprees as well. Which?
Holly, you still haven't rectified why you got everything backwards.
Because my camera.
I'm in a time warp.
Yeah, we were on a different side of the road.
So do you guys want to try this?
Well, you're still drinking it, aren't you?
And then this, we tried this, and we've tried the. Did you just? And we tried this, which is Hershey's being 3 months.
So.
Funnily enough, with women in the room, the chocolate was done well.
Yeah, we love our chocolate. So
Why does it stink in here?
Father. Okay.
Right, we're gonna try this snow cup.
Sorry, I'm
Oh,
still.
they're like frazzles. Try not to get in the way of the poop that goes.
They're like little frazzly things. We have frazzles.
They're like,
Like frazzles, we have them like white ones where they have these like little sprinkles on them. Like little mountains.
mountains with like.
They're not called frazzles, no.
Yeah, they're called frazzles.
No, they're called jazzies.
Jazzies, frazzles,
Here, Dad,
frazzles, jazzles, whatever.
try a
Jazzy.
No, Dazzles is a whole different story.
Frazzles
Oh!
is bacon crisps.
Frazzles is bacon crisps.
Jazzies.
Yeah. They're just chocolate.
Americans have no taste buds. God
Yeah,
damn
Mom.
it.
Mom. Try
That's chocolate you give to dogs to get into poop. Oh, that's
Damn. I'll give these to my friend.
Get some proper chocolate, man.
Not poop chocolate.
Get some dairy milk.
Or M&M's. So you have M&M's. The chocolate M&M's are good.
We've got 2 packets of them now.
Yeah, but they're mine.
No, they're Mum's actually.
They're mine.
No, them. I've got 2 packets of them.
Yeah. So, should we try the, which one? The O. Henry bar or the Three Musketeers?
Oh, Henry.
Okay, the O. Henry bar we're going for, which is peanut butter, which is my
My
favorite.
back.
As you can see, I kind of like peanut butter. They don't. Oh my god!
Edit this out.
I'm just gonna play it slow motion.
Yeah, because they're fucking. Unlike that, so she was quiet in bed just goes, "Apple."
Okay, we're gonna try the O. Henry bar.
We're gonna
The O. Henry bar, but it's O. Henry.
Does anybody have Febreze?
Febreze is a
Or
spring.
antibacterial soap?
Okay, we're gonna try the O. Henry bar.
No, keep your gas in your chamber of secrets.
Like this. Looks like.
What have you
I don't know what it looks like.
Love it.
It looks like a Snicker bar. Looks like a Snicker bar, doesn't it?
No.
I think it looks.
Listen next to this.
Oh, you're not gonna like this.
Oh,
No
one's
one's.
like Ben Fart. I just freaking.
Okay, who's gonna try first?
You.
Nutty.
Oh, it's like a Snicker bar, but it's American. They also have Snicker bars. And we're trying it.
That doesn't like nuts.
Mom's trying it then. Mom, you've got to try this. Oh, she's going for the bite. Oh, she's going in for it.
Oh, dentist.
Mm. How is it?
A bit like a Star bar.
Star bar?
Mm-hmm.
Star bar? You're trying it.
No,
It
Yeah,
doesn't
you
like
are.
nuts.
He's not
You
gonna
have
eat
to
it.
try it. Oh, there's nothing yet.
This is not the nuts I like.
It's kind of like the taste of nougat. But not flavor.
Who's gonna finish this?
Yeah.
Mom's gonna finish it. Mom likes nuts.
The representative from Fife fills in.
Definitely Star bar.
So do you want to try
yummy.
the? Do you want to try the chewy lemon hands?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going for the chewy lemon hands.
It tastes horrible.
What are you doing?
Putting something down the toilet.
He's putting
Benny, that's a waste!
Dr. Faggy down the toilet.
Oh, they look like...
Like little gumballs.
Look like jelly beans.
Maybe.
They have the colors, well, the flavors. They have lemon, they have grape, they have orange, cherry, and apple. So who's gonna have a color? So it's all 5 colors. So I'm gonna have my favorite color.
I'll have lemon.
You don't lemon.
Indigo.
There's grape.
No.
No grape?
No.
Who wants grape? No grape? Manny, you want grape?
Nope.
Who's now grape?
I'll try grape as well.
Right, swap. Who wants the lemon? I don't have the lemon. And who wants the apple? You're the apple.
Okay, what are you going for?
And there's also a cherry. Ben, you're having the cherry.
No. Ben.
Don't eat them. Ben, here.
Ben. Cherry.
Cherry. Right, ready?
I can taste the sour inside of it. It tastes like poop dick. That.
I like that one. I think we're gonna have to fill in like 3 parts of this.
I think that they used to restrict the taste like, or what it tastes like. It tastes like something I remember. But I don't know
It
what
tastes
it is.
horrible to me.
You think everything tastes horrible then?
So like my other
sorry, no,
camera's not gonna, it's gonna go
Oh,
off
damn
in
it.
like, I don't know how long, so if
Damn
it
it.
does, I am very sorry.
Right.
So we're gonna do another 3rd part. 3 parts this video. Not
This
good.
isn't
And
one
not one of them's good, so don't worry.
So don't worry.
And we also have what in this video, this 13-year-old boy farting. So I can't edit
It's
that out.
on my
So
bed.
I can't edit that out. So yeah.